Okay, we're going to Bird Paradise.
Attention
Yeah.
please. The train
Yeah.
at platform A will end
We're
its
waiting for the
service
train to
at
go
Bayshore.
Springleaf.
The train will end its service.
Guys, he
on
wants to show you your
Bayshore.
wallpaper. His wallpaper. Get out! Wallpaper so cute.
No. What do you mean? Is this green? Does it look green?
Comment down below.
I play Forsaken, not like you guys.
I don't want that game, but you guys need to try. What's
Try
that?
Forsaken.
No, you guys need to try shawarma. Okay, the train's here. The train's here. Okay, guys, bye. Okay, we are price buying things.
Crab rice. Cheers lah.
I mean, cheers. Sorry.
Yeah, you want to see something?
We only buy the $1
You want to see
things.
something?
What? What is it? He got scratched because he wanna be cool.
No.
Yes, you
Look
told
at
me
this.
that. Okay, wait. Okay.
Excuse me. Look.
Hey, help. Daisy, take the things.
Ini ada bus stop.
Yeah, waiting for the bus. What's the bus again? Number 138, I think. Not 67, bro. If you never been to Bird Paradise, like Safari Zoo, or even what? River Wonders, you have to go. Okay?
Don't rush them.
What do you say? So we're waiting for the bus. Right? Right? Beep! Beep! Okay. See you at... What's it called? Bird Paradise. Okay guys, we have reached Bird Paradise.
Yeah.
See? Bird Paradise. And another one.
We're not going.
We're not going with Forest River.
Next time we go there for we show you.
Yeah, it's very fun also.
That's our paradise.
Forgot to tell you there was a new one with Forest Wild Asia. It's like forest, but zoo version. We're here.
Like inside the forest, right? Got like bear like that.
Yeah,
Everything in the
sun bear.
forest, the animal,
Yeah.
they put over there.
Yeah.
It was complete.
And then last time we go rain.
Kami nak pergi Ocean View tau.
Then remember
So
we
money.
went. Remember we went to Rain Forest Wild Asia.
So funny.
Remember we went to Rain Forest Wild Asia just to learn.
Yeah. And we also walk.
And then I saw my friend. We're at Old
Dia nak
Chang Kee.
apa? Chicken
I think the
Chicken pop.
What you want?
ada
Eddie wants that.
chicken chicken meat
I want
Ini
the
dah apa?
sardine.
Tadi belum.
okay.
Tunggu.
Chicken
Oh, and chunky.
belum
Salted egg tu.
okay,
Can.
Ah, boleh. Boleh tak? Boleh?
pedas sikit tau, okey boleh. Dengan tu lah saja 3. Lagi kira apa lagi?
Show the food. I pick this. I pick. What is it?
Dua mandi.
I did don't have any.
I don't know.
Adi.
This a new menu.
Yeah. We like to go this or and chunky.
Yeah, it's the best.
Yeah. And my favorite is the sardine epok-epok. And look at that.
What you did?
Bro, Hey guys, we're at Bird Paradise. Bird Paradise. That's the entrance over there. And we're going in. The QR code. We're in. Guys. Okay, we're going to the Penguin Cove. We're in the Penguin Cove.
Yeah.
It's very dark. the penguins are upstairs, so we have to go up. The penguin just go away.
They return to the colony fewer than 5 times over the next few months to feed the children.
Penguins. Penguin. We're going to the next station. There is only 2 stations in this. Okay guys, we're gonna go egg splash. Okay guys, we are done
Swimming.
playing, swimming, and now we're watching the.
The world.
I will take video some later when the show is
Guys, is he
playing.
really taller backward?
I don't know.
Kakak t-shirt saya.
Bruh. Okay.
I think not.
Okay, we are seated down.
Let's play Boston. Let's play Boston.
Those are the giants of the parrot family. Even large, sometimes they might eat high fruits, but the toxins in these fruits are not good for the birds. So, ladies and gentlemen, by eating clay, it neutralizes the toxins. Hey, Lambo Ferrari, what you doing out there? By now you're supposed to be eating clay. Come on, your last meal of the day. Let's go, this way. Come on, say. Hey, Yoli, you cannot eat clay. Not like one. You cannot eat clay again. So birds don't eat clay. Birds can. Hey, Lambo Ferrari, this way. About never mind. They're very smart birds. They know.
Paradise. Let's give it up for Fred Bonds. Yeah, thank you, man. Alright, let's see what is it. One more. You wanna do one more? Yeah, one more.
Yeah, do one more, mommy.
There we go. Now,
Elisa, you do the king.
alright, let's go, birds. Come on. There we go.
Elisa.
Touchdown, good job.
Eddie.
Okay, let's get this started, shall we? For this time. There we go. Now, if you're wondering what goes on inside, everyone take a look at the big screen. Look at that. We've got Higgins up on the screen. Great job there. Gonna put one more in. There we go. Alright, we have Katie up on the screen as well. Hello there, Katie. You gathering more sticks?
Now, James is dead, actually.
Yeah, but on the big screen, look at that.
Oh, that's
So cute.
what that is now.
Alright, you are a rooster. There we go, rooster, loud and clear. Of mimicry. Okay, Quincy, as you can see, we have so many of them today. How would you like to welcome everyone? Wow! Quincy is more than welcome. So
Did you hear that? His name is Amigo. Let's try this one more time, okay? What's your name? Amigo is his name. It's people.
How are you?
Oh, it's Amigo. How are you? How are you doing? Good.
Good.
I'm not so good, huh?
I'm a good boy.
Okay, never mind. Amigo loves to sing the birthday song.
Birthday today.
Today. But
My birthday
anytime
today.
anybody here celebrating your birthday today. I think we have one. Anyone? Two. Okay.
Even though my birthday is at 9 January.
Birthday song.
January.
Ali, Ali.
Stabilizing themselves because they have three proteins. Of course.
Ali, Ali.
Olivia, on the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up we go!
Ayah, I got no time now. That's so slow, Ali. 7 to 1.
And then we have the male hornbill feeding her through that small gap. Now this unique nesting behavior is shared with nearly all 62 different species of hornbills in the world. Now with that, Sunny, it's time for you to fly back home. Everyone, let's Alright, you know where home is. Look at that flying all
Bye, Sammy. If I'm still a bit.
First time come here. That's why they jatuh.
Yeah.
Okay, flamingo coming up. Flamingo. There's a pink flamingo. All the pink flamingos coming
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, our beautiful wings of the world. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure and happy birthday!
Okay, we're going home. Yep. It's eating truffle chips. Truffle chips. That one. That's the bird shop. We're in the shop now.
I'm too sweaty right now. I can't breathe.
$5 really?
I'm too sweaty. I
My
cannot
hair
wear it.
black. $5 already?
Okay lah. KL pakai.
Give me.
Oh, nak.
Let me wear.
Okay.
218.
Where lah?
Wait, let me do a little. How to do
No, never mind.
Selected item.
Really?
There's so many things. What's that? Oh yeah, we got that. And then carrot. Guys,
It's $10.
$10 that means I can get it at $8 because I got 20%.
Oh yeah.
my one Ellie, right? So E. So E elephant.
My leg.
Abang Haider, this for you. You hippo.
Wait, Abang.
Abang Ihan. I mean, yeah, Abang
I
Ihan.
for what?
I don't know what's that.
I don't know.
Erika, this
Abang
you.
Nika.
Abang Nika is.
A.
I don't know what's that called.
Okay, kalau
Wait, how about Kiki? Kiki.
Nenek.
Wah, lawa
Kiki
Kiki
cake.
colour. Lagi
See?
K for Kisha.
No,
Q for Kisha.
How about Tisha? Tisha, what's
Can
that?
I? What's cute?
She loves
Okay, I'm gonna take water.
Thank you for watching.